Math 8.2.A. Hi, my name is Lauren Melcher, and today we have an instructional video on putting rational numbers in appropriate operations. So here's our first example. We're supposed to solve this problem. We're told that the rectangular area is 12 square units. Rectangular area, 12 square units. And that side A, let me draw this rectangle for you to help us visualize the problem. This is side A equals 3x. And side B equals 4 units. So side B equals 4, there's no unknown variable. That makes it simple. And we're told to find x, the unknown. So let's first remember that the area of a rectangle is the length times the width. And we are given the lengths and the width. The width is side A, right here, and the length is side B. So we are already told that the area for this specific rectangle is 12 square units. And since we already have the lengths for sides A and B, we can put them in on the other side. So we would have 3x times 4. So let's start by multiplying 3x times 4. So we're going to get 12x. Now we need to isolate x since it is the unknown variable that we are solving for. And we can do so by dividing each side by 12. So 12 divided by 12 is 1. So x equals 1. And that is our answer for this problem. Now let's look at the next problem. We have a triangle. So we see that we are given the area of the triangle. It's 6 square units. Area equals 6. And the base is 2. And the height is 4y. Well, let's just draw a triangle just to help us visualize this problem. Here's the base down here, it's 2, and the height is 4y. So first, let's remember that the area of a triangle is 1/2 of the base times the height. So we already know that the area for this specific triangle is 6. We're already going to write that down. And we're given the base and the height. So over here on the right, we're going to write 1/2 times 2, that represents the base, times 4y, which is the height. We can cancel out the 1/2 and the 2 because 2 over 2 is 1. And then we can divide each side by 4 to find the y. And we see that y is equal to 3 over 2. And that's our answer. Now let's look at this last problem. Let me just outline the perimeter here so we don't have all this other clutter. We deposit $1,000 in an account that has 10% interest, so a simple 10% interest, and we're supposed to find out how many years for the balance to equal $1,500. So our new total is going to be $1,500. And then we have to add our first total, which was 1,000. That was our original total. Plus our total times the interest. So it's 1,000 times 0.1 for 10% times the number of years. And we don't know the number of years, so I'm going to say this would be B. That's our unknown. So we're going to start with 1,500 is equal to 1,000. And 10% of 1,000, that's the same as saying 1,000 divided by 10. And 1,000 divided by 10 is 100. So we're going to add 100 times B because we're still multiplying by the unknown variable that represents the years. So now we have 1,500 is equal to 1,000 plus 100 times B. We need to start isolating for B, and we're going to do so by subtracting 1,000 from each side. 500 is equal to 100b. Now all we need to do is divide each side by 100 to see what b is. So 500 divided by 100, it's very simple, it's 5. b equals 5, so that means that it's going to take 5 years for our deposit to equal 1,500. 5 years. So thank you for watching this video and keep on learning.